Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll learn how Christopher Place converted 60% of their traffic without discounts. Christopher Place is an upscale bed and breakfast and wedding venue built for romantic getaways overlooking the Smoky Mountains. Before using OptinMonster, Christopher Place relied on discount sites like Groupon and Living Social to drive bookings, especially during the slow winter season. Unfortunately, a very small percentage of these customers turned into repeat customers. But Christopher Place changed their strategy and decided to start offering lead magnets on their own website to attract targeted leads from people already interested in visiting the Smoky Mountains. They started by offering a romantic guide to the Smokies for their website visitors, which is a high-quality guide that includes ideas for outdoor adventures, restaurants, entertainment, and of course, where to stay. To attract targeted leads of those interested in planning a wedding, they created another lead magnet of a free Smoky Mountain wedding guide. They wrote a well-written article about Smoky Mountain weddings and included a monster link to an opt-in where you could request your Smoky Mountain wedding guide. So how can you too create a monster link opt-in with a lead magnet? With OptinMonster, it's never been easier. Within the OptinMonster dashboard, select Pop-up and select the template that fits your design needs. Next, you'll need to name your pop-up campaign and you can start building. Within the drag and drop builder, you can make any design changes you need, such as changing the image, headline, fonts, colors, and more. Like Christopher Place, you may want to include a bit of information about what the lead magnet includes. Next, to deliver your lead magnet, you'll want to click on the Submit button and edit button style and content. Here, we'll change the action by going to the Action tab and scrolling down to redirect to a URL. Next, under Redirect URL, you'll want to include the URL link where your download can be found and where your new subscribers can download your lead magnet. Next, we'll go to Display Rules, and you'll need to scroll down to If Visitor clicked Monster link, and you may want to include the URL path where you will include this lead magnet by going down to Current URL path contains and the corresponding page it will be found. Click Next, and you'll want to make sure to show the opt-in view, and in the summary you can confirm that the display rules are correct and edit if needed. Here you'll also want to copy the monster link code for later. Next, in the Integrations tab, you'll want to add a new integration and connect to your email marketing service provider, such as Constant Contact. Next, in the Analytics tab, you'll want to connect to Google Analytics so you can track the conversions of your lead magnet campaign. Finally, under the Publish tab, you'll want to toggle from pause to live and follow the embed instructions for your website platform. The final step is to add your monster link code to the page or post that you'd like your website visitors to find their free guide. You can then change the link text or even format it to look like a button. Once you've saved and published this to your website, you will have a fully functioning monster link opt-in with a lead magnet on your site. Thanks to these new strategies, Christopher Place converted 6% of targeted leads interested in weddings, and they were able to convert 60% of couples planning a romantic getaway. And they're not the only ones seeing this type of success. Inbound Marketing Agency uses OptinMonster to offer a lead magnet with a full screen welcome mat and increased their conversions by 189%. And you can too. Get started with OptinMonster today.